Los Angeles. Oops, I forgot to plug in my microphone. Hey guys, just got to Los Angeles. We're gonna play some music, do some yoga. I'm gonna show you my summer look, and then Venice Beach.
I don't need the extra tension, cause I'm in the fourth dimension. Trapeze high in suspension. Now don't bother with the haters, cause they all be imitators. Real life manipulators. Get fit back up and see you later. I like me for me. I'ma be what I'ma be. I like me for me. I am who I wanna be. Don't need no apologies, just peace and serenity. No thought to the jealousy. Wonder Woman identity. I like me for me. I like me for me. Head over heels, you know how that feels. You think it's out of space, but I know that it is real. Sipping Topo Chico, La Coco Puerto Rico. Make it dance waterfall anywhere that we go. I am looking for attention. I don't need the extra tension, cause I'm in the fourth dimension. Trapeze high in suspension. Now don't bother with the haters, cause they all be imitators. Real life manipulators. Get fit back up and see you later. Gotta prove it to myself like nobody else. Gotta prove it to myself like nobody else. Gotta prove it to myself like nobody else. Gotta prove it to myself. I like me for me.
Parents naturally worry when they're away from their children. We believe parents and children deserve to feel safe. That's why we created the VAVA Baby Monitor. Our discrete camera connects to a handheld 5-inch screen, showing a color view of your baby's room in real time. You can even zoom. Two-way talk technology helps you comfort your baby. And night vision mode means you can watch over your little one through the night. Sounds and LED indicators keep you updated on your baby's movements, even with the screen off. It's easy to customize the settings, including volume and brightness, so you can always have the perfect view. Get your VAVA Baby Monitor today for complete peace of mind. VAVA. Smart made simple.
With Celestron's travel scope, it's never been easier to take a high-quality telescope on the go. Each travel scope includes a durable canvas backpack, perfect for taking along on a camping trip or hike. When you arrive at your destination, assemble the telescope and you'll be ready to observe in minutes with no tools necessary. The adjustable tripod can extend to full height or collapse for use on a picnic table or bench for more comfortable viewing. TravelScope is a refractor-style telescope with objective lenses ranging from 50 to 70 millimeters. That's enough light-gathering ability to view the rings of Saturn, craters on the Moon, and many more of the brightest celestial objects. An erect image diagonal corrects the orientation of your images, so you can also use TravelScope for daytime observations of wildlife, birds, and more. To view objects, first center them in the 2x20 optical finder scope. Then, get a closer look using either the low or high power eyepiece. Simply turn the knobs to bring your subjects into sharp focus. When you're out under the stars, use Celestron's free Sky Portal mobile app for iOS and Android to locate objects in the night sky. As you observe, listen to Sky Portal's audio descriptions for the most popular objects. Happy stargazing!
Hey, what's up guys? This is Doug from Carson Optical, and today we've got an LED lighted pocket microscope of ours called the MicroBrite Plus. Now right away you can see it, this is nice and compact. And as far as pocket microscopes go, this one couldn't be more simple to use. This is one impressive little microscope. It actually has a range from 60 to 120 power, which is huge. With this you can see things that the naked eye just can't. If you enjoy looking at plant life, or need a microscope that you can travel with, the MicroBrite works outside and can be stored right inside your pocket. You got this little knob here at the top that slides back and forth and is used for changing magnification. Below that we have a nice wide focus adjustment wheel, which wraps around the body and is really good to give you that extra control when focusing. So pocket microscopes. If you don't need a traditional microscope and you're looking for something a little more portable, then you're going to love the MicroBrite Plus. You can look at literally anything. A couple fun things to look at are the hidden things found on currency, like the microprinting. And any type of fabric looks great under this thing. With the lenses in this device, even a thin strand of hair will deliver some pretty impressive results. And the lenses in this device are aspheric. That means less distortion and a better overall image for the user. Speaking of the lenses, the optical quality inside this is superior to most pocket microscopes out there. It's amazing how simple everyday items can come to life under a microscope. This microscope definitely makes detailed inspection a lot easier. The built-in LED is positioned so you can look at three-dimensional objects or flat surfaces. So if you're new to using microscopes in general, pocket microscopes are a great way to start. So why not use one that's accurate, precise, and fun to use? I'm Doug from Carson, and I'll see you next time.